Daily use English sentences. Einstagigach abatik kasgatek jagna shimang zhiibiigaansan. 1. Did you eat food? Ki mijin na mijim. Yes, I ate. A ningi wisen. 2. Are you feeling well? Ki na kdo mino jeya. Yes, I'm fine. A nin do mino jeya. 3. Where are you going? Abishkin ejayin. I am going to the store. Nin da ja adawe gamgung. 4. Do you have money? Kedaan na Junior. Yes, I have some money. A nin dad ganan Junior. 5. Are you free now? Kinna kata shise megwa. 6. Can I use your phone? Da abtakazen na kata gigadobi wapons. Yes, of course. Abtek. 7. Do you like music? Keen na kata basgandan midwechganan. Yes, I like music. Neen basgandan midwechganan. 8. Where do you study? Avish keen enter kunomagosiyin. I study at college. Nin da kunomagus che kunomage gamagung. 9. Are you a student? Keen na ekonomagazit. Yes, I'm a student. Nin da ekonomagazit. And do you play baseball? Keen na kada ba kuwakatike. Yes, I play baseball. Nin da damen ba kuwakatike. 11. What in your bag? Wignish etekita muskim dang. Books are in my bag. Misaganan tenon da muskim dang. 12. Are you busy tomorrow? Kina kada damta wabang. No, I'm not busy tomorrow. Ka gawin da damta si wabang. 13. Can you wait here? Kada babi chige na manpi. Yes, I can. Wait. Anishinaabe. 14. Do you like this place? Kinakda basgendan manpi. Yes, it is beautiful. Kinadjawal. 15. Are you ready to go? Kinakda jita wimajayin. Yes, I am ready. Aninda jita. 16. Do you have friends? Kdo walkna wichkayik. Yes, I have many. Nin batin walk. 17. See you soon. Ka wapmin wiba. Okay. See ya. Now, ka wapmin.